Ever wondered how large, durable plastic products are made without seams? At Indoplasko, this manufacturing process allows us to create strong, long-lasting plastic products for various industries. What is rotomolding? Rotomolding, or rotational molding, is a manufacturing process used to produce hollow plastic products. Unlike injection molding, rotomolding doesn't use pressure. Instead, plastic powder is placed inside a mold that is heated while rotating on two axes. As the mold rotates, the material melts and coats the inner surface evenly, creating a seamless and highly durable product. Rotomolding offers several important advantages. Because the product is formed without joints or welding, it becomes stronger and less prone to leakage. The process also creates consistent wall thickness, making products more durable and reliable. It's an ideal manufacturing method for large plastic products, custom designs, and medium volume production. Rotomolding is widely used across industries because of its flexibility and durability. At Indoplasko, we manufacture a wide range of products tailored to customer requirements, from storage tanks to custom industrial solutions. Rotomolding is more than just a manufacturing process. It's about producing durable, reliable products that perform for years. At Indoplasko, every stage is carefully controlled to deliver consistent quality and dependable manufacturing solutions. Have a product idea? Let's build it together.